What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, it is Andre. In this video, I'm going to be talking about 5 work-at-home jobs that pays well and you can start them even today. All right, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end because this video is going to be jam-packed. It's going to be packed with a lot of with a lot of value, right? So let me know in the comments where you're watching this video from. I always want to know if it's your first time here. Welcome to the family. Subscribe to this channel. Turn on that bell notification so every time I create a new video, you're going to be the first one to know. And what I talk about on this channel is how to make money online, affiliate marketing, and just ways how you can better yourself. Because I remember when I was searching for a better way, I turned to the internet. So I want to share as much information to you as well. So if this is what you want to do, maybe you want to stay at home with your family, or you're looking for a life-changing opportunity, or if you want to start a business online. All right, so watch this video all the way to the end. And for my regulars, hey, good to see you guys. All right, so I'm going to jump into things right away. And these are the 5 work-at-home jobs that pays well. All right, so the very first one is called TTech. Right, so it's TTech. So if you go onto their website, it's ttechjobs.com. This is more of a technical website, right? So not because it's called TTech, it's going to be talking about like IT. They have jobs all over the place. So all you got to do is just scroll down here to the bottom and you'll see like all jobs. Once you click on all jobs, you see everything. You could just type in, you can type in and work from home, or you can just scroll through and you can see jobs all over the world. They have jobs in all different locations. And if you want to look at the work from home, right, you could click down here. So if you click on where it says work from home, you could type in a job title and see if there is something that fits for you. So they deal with more of a customer service and technical needs. So yes, this is going to be more of a, you're going to be on the phone, so you're going to make sure that you have like your laptop. You're definitely going to need a laptop, right? You need a headset where you can communicate with their customers. So you can work from home. You're located across the US and in Canada, so you can apply right here. And down here, you can see a lot of different reviews and people who are working for them. And you can just hear from some of the work from home professionals. So that's good. So you can work from home and you can get started. So yeah, it is a customer support / kind of tech side. And if you click on where it says all jobs, you'll see they pop up. So look at here, you have supervisor, desktop support, manager, digital learning, desktop instructional designer. So if you come through here, there's tons and tons of different jobs that you can find, and all you got to do is just apply, right? All right, so the next website, this one is of a teaching job. So if you like teaching, if you like kids, all subjects K to 12, if you come through here, this website is called itutor.com. So iTutor, all you have to do is just scroll down and you could see the school, student, and parents, tutor, how it works. You'll see all the information down here. And if you'd love to apply, all you have to do is scroll all the way all down to the bottom, click on careers. Once you click on careers, it's gonna load. It's taking a little bit of time today. I'm not sure what's going on, but hey, it's gonna load, all right? So it's slowly popping up, but yeah, it is an online job and it's work from home. You get to teach students. So if that's like your passion and you want to teach students, feel free to do so. So you have like the locations, you can apply all the locations that they have here, and you'll be more than on your way. All right, so check out that website. It's called itutor.com. The next website I'm going to be talking about is American Express. American Express it's widely known. People use it. It is credit card for some of you who probably don't know what it is, but I'm sure everybody who's watching this video know what American Express is. So they have a lot of different jobs. All you have to do is click on careers. Once you click on careers, you can type in work from home. You can type in your country as well, and it will just give you the different locations and what they have to offer. So if you scroll down here, you see featured career areas. These are some of the areas that they are featuring, but they have more. So you have like data science analysis, consulting, customer care, design. If you click over here, you see digital, commerce, finance, human resources, marketing. So everything you hear, all you have to do is just scroll down here, see which or what fits for you. Now, some of these jobs, they're all over the place. They're in different locations. Some of them require you to travel out of country. And that's not a bad gig, right? So if you can travel to other countries and do work, that will be like a travel job. You get to vacation, you see the world, and you also work at the same time. I'm sure you're going to have some downtime where you can catch up on things. So as you can see here, they have like different countries that they have people that visit and work. So this would be a great job for a lot of you. So if you're watching this, check out AmericanExpress.com careers, and you can find something for you. So the next website that I'm going to be talking about is called Vista Print. Vista Print is a printing company, and they have locations all over the place. They're huge here in the United States, but they have people that work for them all over the world. So that's a good thing. So if you scroll down and you click on where it says careers, it's just going to pop up, and you could type in the keywords work from home jobs, all type of jobs. If you click on here, you see like creative, customer care, default, engineering, finance and human resources, IT. So there's got to be something on here that fits you. So if you want to work from home and get paid well, these are some of the jobs and the websites that I just listed. So you can, again, scroll down, or you could just click on where it says search jobs. Once you click on where it says search jobs, you see all the different jobs just starting to pop up. If you come through here, you could see like customer care. So this is a great work from home site that you could come, apply, see what works for you. And those are the four. But my number one way of making money online is affiliate marketing. I love affiliate marketing because you don't have to own the product in order for you to make money from it. And affiliate marketing, all you have to do is, sell the product and you get a commission. Now, how it works and why I choose affiliate marketing, because it's less stress, it's less headache. You don't have to deal with too much overhead. You can get started and you can have your business up and running. Now, I'm not going to say it's going to be easy, but it's going to require some time. And if you're looking for a life-changing opportunity, life-changing decision, yeah, these work from home jobs are great because you can work from home and you could be with your family. But if you're looking to start your own business where you can be your own boss, get unlimited income, create something for yourself and your family as well, because that's what I did. I decided I needed to do something else more than just being average. I was tired of being average. I didn't want to be average anymore. I wanted to set the bar and do something that's not going to only benefit me, but I want to leave a legacy behind. So this website that I'm talking about is called Legendary Marketer, right? And they have like a 15-day challenge. So it's 15-day, doesn't require any credit card or anything for you to sign up. All you have to do is go through these 15-day challenge. That's it. There's 15-day training that's going to go through here. And as you can see, there's people down here that are giving testimonials. There's assignments that you have to do and all that kind of stuff. So if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, I highly recommend this website. And also you can check out my number one recommendation as well for making money online. So make sure you check that out. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching. Subscribe, hit that bell notification, and if you're brand new, I'm going to make more videos for you. For my regulars, you know the deal. I always create new videos. I'm excited for you to be here. Have a great day. Talk to you soon. Peace.